Alright, welcome to Energy Boom 101. This is live from Hobo U. Normally it's Boom U, but on this glory... Oh, shit. Prepare yourself. This is a big one, too. This is probably going to be 8. So this is a great Hobo U opening. We're going to be looking out. Let's see if we can't bring it down right here. There's the shot for you. Now, as you know, this is Energy Boom 101, the confluence, where crude and cannabis meet. Those are the bells of Boom U in the background. This is a pretty good shot here, heading, looking west into another pretty Boom U sunset. We'll see if we can't get the Hotel California thing going here. There's a little Hotel California for you. Energy Boom 101, at least we attempt to bring you the latest news from the confluence, which is where crude and cannabis meet. The bubble and the buzz of the boom is in the background. You'll be able to hear them here on the... there it is. Oh, shit, you're in for a treat, kids. The bells are going to offer you Oklahoma. And I'm not going to really wait on them. We're going to go straight into some cannabis news first. So let's look at the cannabis stocks today. Let's see how they fared. The first one I want to talk about is the most ridiculous thing ever, and it is a former oil company that is now a marijuana stock, and it's right here. Signature Exploration and Production. And guess what? Up 30% today. Imagine putting on 30% of your weight in one day. Up 30% today. Not a whole lot of volume, 29,000 shares, so it's not like this is heavily traded. But percentage-wise, that's a big move. I would say this is really emblematic, and check this out. We're going to move this up here and see if we can't find a way to capture. Look at this. Look at this shot. You get to see basically that glorious neath a western sky while you see, look at this, Signature Exploration and Production, up 30% today. Former oil company turned marijuana producer, up 30% today, and that's after it was down 30% the last 2 days. So this thing's on a wild ride. I wouldn't invest in it, but I'd sure as hell watch it. Looks like it's going to be pretty fun fireworks. And let me give you a quick overview of what it's done in the past month, which is pretty amazing, which should be a warning bell, basically, because here's what the stock has done in the past month. As you can see, it basically stayed at about 50 cents till somewhere around mid-March, right about there, and then it went kaboom from 50 cents up to about $9, and is drifting. You can see, just follow the drift. Oh, the drift is going all the way down to where its current state, $4.75. Now, I have no clue what's going to happen with this stock because I have no clue about anything, which is why I don't know why you're watching this show, but there are 17 subscribers. We love each and every one of you. I would say that this might be a pump and dump. It's definitely worth watching because it's definitely emblematic of the marijuana mania that is on Wall Street. So we're definitely going to watch it, but we don't really want to invest in it. We want to, I don't have a dime to invest in it anyway. We want to go through all the different stocks and try and, the marijuana stocks, and try and see if we can't gather some understanding as to the shape and the color of this budding industry. Now, let's take a look at a few other marijuana stocks, and you'll probably remember the 4-leaf clover. Crazy, crazy little thing. Ooh, back up to the Boom U colors. Look at that gorgeous shot. What the hell was that? Speaking of Boom U, I just heard a damn boom. That was live at 4 minutes into the hour. The next marijuana stock we're going to look at is part of the 4-leaf clover, and as you can see, that's going to be Cannabis Science. Not a whole lot happened today with Cannabis Science. Looks like it was just down 1.26%, so not a whole lot there to worry about. Big volume, 6 million shares. We'll check headlines. Anything going on with Cannabis Science? Not really. Although it does, Cannabis Science applauds the unprecedented United States federal government approval of university study of medical cannabis for veterans suffering from PTSD. Yeah, we know about that. And that's great. I support that 110%. So that's Cannabis Science, and let's check and see who else is going nutty today in the marijuana stock world. Oh, here comes medical marijuana, the poster child of the cannabis community, and they're up today 3.16% on a volume of about 6.6 million. Now, did they say anything big? Now, you learned about this yesterday. Medical marijuana says rapid growth necessitates, I repeat, necessitates, 4 syllables, a corporate office expansion. Crazy shit. Speaking of expansion, do you think that the universe is expanding? That's one thought, and here's a glorious look at it. So that was medical marijuana. No big news out of them today, although they are up 3.16%. Let's just get a quick look at what they've done over the last year. Let's just see how we're feeling about medical marijuana. I don't know how we're feeling about them, but we can show what they've done over the last year, which, as you can see, has been pretty volatile. Let's pull back. You get a let's crop it. Look at this, kids. We're cropping the trading activity of medical marijuana. And you can see that it's gone all over the place. Now get ready for this. Here comes the old patented 5th grade flip-off finger. How funny is that? You can see. Up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Oh, shit! Watch out. Down, down a little. No one knows what's going on, but it's nice to follow. Who's next on the crazy, wild roller coaster ride of the medical marijuana? Or should I say marijuana mania on Wall Street, as we continue to enjoy this glorious shot of Hotel California / Boom U. The next one is PHOT, good old Grow Life. They're up 4% today. Not bad at all. 24 million shares traded hands. That's a hell of a deal. Now, did they give us any big news for the day? Yeah, get ready. Oh, shit. This was at 7:16 a.m. today. Breaking news, 7:16 a.m. I'm going to let you see this glorious western sky of Boom U as I tell you that the breaking news on Grow Life is that at 7:16 a.m., Grow Life and RXNB mutually adjust extension date to April 30, 2014 for completion of strategic partnership. Great. Look into that. I don't even know what the hell it is, but apparently it's something that might be good. Oh, by the way, it's April Fool's Day, and we'll play a joke on you eventually. So that's it for Grow Life. Now, the final leaf in the 4-leaf clover is going to be hemp. Now, hemp had a spectacular run and has since settled. Today, they really just sort of hung where they are. Their volume was pretty big, 10 million shares, but they normally do 80 million, so it's, about 15% of the normal daily volume. So pretty light trading, I would say, to say the least. Oh shit, look at this. They have breaking news today at 7:06 a.m. Don't you love it? These cannabis stocks tell you exactly what time the breaking news is. 7:06 a.m. Hemp facilitates largest order yet for Liberated Energy's Guard Light security lighting system. I don't even know what the hell that is, but God bless them. That didn't move the stock, but what the hell. So, you see the 4-leaf clover today. Let's go over it again. It's an amazing thing. We've tried to patent it 50 times. There are challenges, and we've got our attorneys working on it. But the 4-leaf clover, of course, is cannabis science, medical marijuana, Grow Life, and hemp. You see them right there. It's not really clear, but you see them. Now, the final one I want to look at is not a part of the 4-leaf clover, but it's definitely worth mentioning because Seeking Alpha did a piece on it. And it's a pharmaceutical company, totally different profile than the other companies so far in the marijuana mania. I would not consider this company, GW Pharmaceuticals, to be a part of the marijuana mania so much. They're at $60, not 6 cents. Huge difference there, number one. Number two, there was a really good piece on Seeking Alpha that you all should really look at. Matter of fact, we're going to look at it right now because that's part of what's going on here. And I'm just going to highlight it for you on this video. This is a piece from a few days ago on Seeking Alpha, Future of Marijuana Companies. GW Pharma's strong fundamentals leading the charge. Probably so. This is done by the Government Monitor. We're going to give them full credit. In a nutshell, and I find this really, really refreshing, take a look at just some really simple things. And I'm just going to start with the fact, this shot right here. Now, GW Pharmaceutical has a flagship drug they called Sativex. Can you imagine that, kids? Where do you think they got that? There it is, Sativex. Now, this little chart I'm showing you shows that Sativex is being used currently for 2 different things, cancer pain and multiple sclerosis spasticity. And it also shows you where they are. So, here's Sativex with their cancer pain, and they have passed the preclinicals, phase 1, phase 2. They're in phase 3 of clinical trials. Now, if that goes well, no one knows for sure, but I have a feeling it'll go well, then they will submit it for FDA approval. If they get FDA approval to use their drug, Sativex, to treat cancer pain, I suspect you'll see an enormous earnings growth. Now, that is one of a few things that they are working on with Sativex, and we mentioned MS Spasticity, but all you really need to see is what's driving this stock price. And this gentleman out here, this analyst, will tell you, because I'm just going to read his quote. By the way, here are the institutional shareholders, pretty good group there. I'm simply going to read this gentleman's conclusion because I think it's probably really good. Conclusion. I hope that this article helps investors begin to view marijuana companies from a more fundamental standpoint and avoid trying to time swings in a volatile market. Financially stable companies are poised to be big winners, such as GW Pharmaceuticals, based on their liquid balance sheet, proven business experience, and medication pipeline. I caution all investors, read the annual reports, do the fundamental analysis, don't just follow message board hype. Take the information you hear and read from official press releases and reconcile that with 10K and 10Q financials. The market is going to eventually start pricing these companies based on their quantitative fundamentals, and you don't want to get caught holding an illiquid company that never had any earnings potential. That had only shot up because of speculation and media hype. Pretty good wisdom there. Now, there was something else I was wanting to show you on GW Pharmaceuticals, and it's basically the quote from this gentleman on where he sees the price. Now, I want you to see that right now the price is at about $55. You probably need some Dramamine, though, because you're probably getting sick following this screen, and we're only at 12 minutes into it, so bear with me. You can make it. Now, the author is the Government Monitor, and the question is, where do you see, here, really simple. Thank you for the article. Any projections you would be willing to make as far as percentage change or stock price by year's end? This is what we all are interested in. Where's the money going to go? Can we make money? Yeah, probably can. I'm just going to quote this gentleman because he says it better than I can. I'm going to read it to you, so prepare yourself. Barring any surprising financial announcements, the biggest price movement is going to depend on the results of the Sativex cancer pain Phase 3 clinical results expected in the later part of 2014, so that means probably, September, October, November, December. This will be a critical milestone to achieving U.S. FDA approval. Now, get ready for this. The stock is priced to assume FDA approval. In other words, what he's telling you, this is the old lingo of Wall Street, is that the stock price is already baked. The thought of FDA approval is already baked into the stock price. And by the way, I'm not making that up. Baked has been a word on Wall Street used to describe every investor's collective thought about the future being baked into the current price. And what he's basically saying is that a lot of the price of the stock right now is driven on the thought that it will get U.S. FDA approval. This means I don't expect, I'm going back to him now, this means I don't expect prices to shoot up that dramatically on a positive announcement. I put a year-end estimate range, assuming only good news, of $90 to $100 a share. While this may seem like a large jump from the current price, remember that GW Pharmaceutical hit a high of $86 only a few weeks ago. And I believe in the short term, GWPH, GW Pharmaceutical, will climb its way back to the 60s and 70s. A positive clinical result announcement is what will put it up to my year-end target. Regarding the FDA's willingness to approve, most sources, heck, even the White House frequently asked question, seems to point to yes, assuming the scientific data continues to back up the drug's efficacy, as it has so far up to this point. Well, I bet it does back it up, and I love the fact that the marijuana industry is probably going to gut big pharmacy, just like the internet industry gutted big newspapers. Tough shit, life will go on, the greater good is served. Check this out. So, ending the day, 14 minutes into your suffering, I would suggest that you continue to watch and enjoy all the fireworks of the marijuana mania on Wall Street, but seriously consider looking into, as an investment, GW Pharmaceuticals. Do your own homework, talk to whoever you need to talk to, and the last thing I want to do is simply show you, before we climb out, I want to show you basically the one-year chart of GW Pharmaceuticals, because I think it gives you a really good idea of how this thing is setting up. Because you can see where it was traded at a very low amount there it is. Look at this. This is a beauty. Before I show you this, I want to give you one last shot. Oh, we got 10 seconds left. Get ready for this. Nothing, 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 nothing. Big, big news. Obama, boom, boom, boom. It's going big. That's it. 3, 2, 1. Boom. See ya.